On the sixth day of our trip, we left Karasjok in Norway and headed towards Rovaniemi in Finland. The distance between Karasjok and Rovaniemi is 443 kilometers. It took us around 6 hours to reach Rovaniemi.
We are on our way to Rovaniemi, which is a capital town in Finland. We have actually taken a lunch break here. So here you can see very beautiful Arctic resort is there. This area is known for the skiing resorts. Beside this Arctic resort, you can see Santa's office also. It makes very beautiful scenario as such, and everywhere snow is there and it is pretty cold. You just can see, though the weather is very fine, the sun is shining very brightly, yet it is really very cold. Beautiful buildings are there. As I told you that this is the area of many skiing resorts as such. Kio Ski Club, you can see that, and this is the place, Holiday Club, where we have stopped for lunch. So this is what I wanted to show you all. I hope you got the glimpse of this one, Holiday Club. And now here I am at the entrance of the hotel. So it again is very beautiful. So this is how the entrance is. And now this area is known as Sariselka. Sariselka is the area, and this is how I'm now entering the restaurant for lunch. All my friends, all my group has already gone in. I'm a bit late for making this video. So I'm inside Holiday Club. I will just like to give you a glimpse of how it appears from the interior. Very nice. It's a very beautiful place. So many people are here. Probably everyone is here for lunch only. So here now I move towards our food counter. Here is my group, and now I think I will have to stop the video and continue or proceed towards my lunch. So hello guys, here I am to show you something about a word sauna, which is very popular in Finland. The Finns' love for saunas is generally associated with Finnish cultural tradition. And now here is a sauna which I am actually going to show you all. So sauna is a type of dry steam bath practiced widely in Finland. Especially evident in the strong tradition around midsummer and Christmas. Nearly all Finnish houses, they have their own sauna or a multi-story apartment houses and a timeshare sauna also. Now here I am inside, and here you just can get actually the glimpse of how a sauna is.
Hello, so today we're in a Finnish sauna. The Finns and the Swedes are known for their saunas. So when we enter, this is a little locker situation where you can store all your valuables. Basically, when you enter, you have to start with you have to start with a warm shower, just with lukewarm water, so that you're a little warmed up. And then you take one of these seat covers here, and then you tear it, and you find yourself a nice seat in the sauna, which looks something like this. And this is where the stones are. It's a little dark here, but basically what you do is you fill up water in this container, and there's a ladle with which you can pour it. So once you fill the water, if you sit up, you feel warmer, because as we all know, hot air rises and cool air is lower. So if you sit lower on one of these, you will be cooler. These will be warmer seats. And we also have a pool here right outside. and some nice beach beds, interesting ones. And here's the sauna. So basically how it's done is you get in, you sit for 5-10 minutes, you go out. These are public showers. You use them for, I don't know, for a nice cold shower. You cool down, go back in for 5 to 10 minutes, use the container, warm up the sauna, come back, take a warm shower and go to sleep. Ultimate relaxation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I have now reached Santa Claus Holiday Village. Actually I am supposed to come here tomorrow also, and the whole day I will be here only, but I won't get this lightning effect at the time of morning, and that's why I have come here. So you can see this is the main entrance here. These two round poles you can see, and then this is the inside here. In front of me there is a beautiful building, Meet Santa. So guys, we have come to Santa Claus Village today for dinner, and here I have arrived at Golden Bowl Dim Sum. This is Asian cuisine, and today all my group members, they are really very happy because they are going to get Indian food today. Let's see what's there today. Wow, here it is very juicy, tasty. Hot berry juice is there, and after that, yeah, salad, curd. Wow, this is aloo ki sabji, papad, chole, dal, rice and puri. Yeah, berry juice I covered. So this is the interior of this restaurant. Very nicely decorated. So many things related to Santa. Uncle, auntie.
Hello.
Wow, this is really unexpected. Statue of Lord Shiva. So Indian food in Scandinavian country along with Indian music. Wonderful experience. See you. Bye bye. Before that I shouldn't miss. See the thali. Now bye. So friends, here at Santa Claus Village, I have met the owner of this restaurant. Sir, please tell us something about yourself.
I'm the owner of this Golden Ball restaurant.
Sir, will you please speak a little loudly?
I'm the owner of Golden Ball restaurant, and we serve Chinese and Indian food, and I'm from India,
Okay,
from
India.
West Bengal.
Wow, which is your proper native place?
It's from West Bengal. I born in West Bengal.
Which is your native place?
It's this Darjeeling.
Wow, wonderful. So from how many years you are here,
I'm
sir?
here from 20 years.
Okay. So how is your experience?
It's here is cold, and when it's winter is darkness, and the summer is bright, no more dark, and we have lots of Indian group coming here.
Okay. But I would like to know, how do these Finns find the Indian food? Do they like them? People of Finland? Do they like it?
Do they like, but they don't like the spicy,
Okay.
because they eat mild food.
Okay. But in general also, people of Finland, they come to this restaurant for eating Indian food?
Yes,
Okay.
there is local tourists, Indian group from Bombay, Delhi, also from Gujarat, all they come here.
Okay. In all this discussion, I missed your name.
My name is Sunil.
Sunil. Oh, very much Indian name. So nice to meet you.
Yeah. In winter then there is lots of Indian customer come here.
Okay.
Lots.
Ha.
Many.
Okay, so how many times in a year you go to India, or your family is settled here only?
Long time I haven't been to it.
Okay, so your family is here only, or it is still in India?
Yeah, we family is here.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. It was really pleasure talking to you, Captain. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Hey everyone, I'm Maud and I'm the cashier, restaurant manager and waitress. I do everything.
Okay, you're from which country?
I'm from Philippines.
Okay, hi. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. and
Thank
see you again.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye bye.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah. Guys, after having dinner at Santa Claus Village, I am now back to our hotel. The name of the hotel is Vakuna. This is the complete view from the beginning you can see, and it's like this. There are many beautiful hotels in the surrounding. It's a very beautiful area. The temperature is very cold, -7 to 8, but it seems like -10 to 11. So there in the front you can also see a building, purplish greenish in color, very faint. That's Arctic Light Hotel. Like this, all these buildings, there are different restaurants, different hotels are there, like Lapland Safaris and Scandic Hotels, etc. Here also you will find there is Scandic Hotel, Ravintola restaurant, and this is the hotel where I will be staying tonight, Vakuna. So here I am out to explore the Rovaniemi city. It is said to be an urban oasis amidst the Arctic wilderness. Let me tell you something about this beautiful city. Rovaniemi, it is the administrative capital and commercial center of Finland's northernmost province called Lapland. Actually, almost totally this city was devastated during World War II, but today it's a modern city known for being the official hometown of Santa Claus, and it is also known for viewing the northern lights. Rovaniemi is located near the Arctic Circle. Its population is approximately 66,000, while the sub-region, it has population of approximately 69,000, and it is the largest city in Europe by land area. So Rovaniemi, it is Finland's most significant tourist cities, and of course, in terms of foreign tourism, this is what I am telling you. And in 2024, CNN listed Rovaniemi as one of the best places in the world to celebrate Christmas. This name Rovaniemi, it has got some sort of Sami origin. So in Sami language, the meaning of the word Rova, it means forested ridge or hill or the site of the forest fire, and Nimi, it actually refers to the cape. Cape is nothing but a headland or peninsula that extends into the body of water. Usually it is a sea. So this is how the city is. You can see and you can find that it is a town full of vibrant life. Of course, it is surrounded by Arctic flora and fauna, and it is really a perfect place to experience the lifestyle of what constitutes Finnish happiness. Amidst this glittering city, I have come across something very decent, very sweet, and very simple and sober. You can see the ice statues here, and this is another very beautiful, serene picture. Here you will find, the reindeers glittering beautifully. So as I was talking to you about this city, this place is again known for the closeness to a spectacular nature. It is truly exceptional, and the culinary delicacies, they are very popular. Even Nordic simplicity and the year-round accessibility to Santa Claus, these are again the prominent features of this city. It has got breathtaking views as such, as you can definitely perceive it in this video. And Rovaniemi, it is also known as the culinary capital of the north, and I can definitely show you this area, which is really very vibrant with so many popular restaurants as such. Just have a glance at all these things. That's it.